Okay, Mario, we need to go up there. I know, Luigi, don't have to tell me. Okay, sorry. The princess! Shut up! I'm gonna be the hero. No. Where? Doggy.
I'm gonna drop her in the lava pit.
Fuck you. Okay, Luigi. We need to go up. Mario, my face. It hurts. Don't be such a weenie.
My eyebrows got even shinier. Well, more big.
Ow. Ow.
This, how do you like jumping? Don't jump on me again.
Stuck to the wall. Ow. No. The princess.
Yeah.
Got her.
I'll be back for this revenge round this.
No, Mario.
Yeah.
Luigi.
Ah.
Sucker.
How do you like it? I like it very much.
Okay, princess. Do you know where the power-ups are? Yeah. Go there. You're supposed to talk like a girl. So, where are they? They're over there. Over there. Hey, you. Can you
They're
talk
all bitten.
Ew.
Must have eaten them.
Oh, maybe. But they're still here.
But do you really want to eat those like that?
A little bit.
Don't eat them. Just throw them away. We can go to Walmart to buy more mushrooms.
Oh, yeah, huh? Die. Die. Oh, the Yoshis. Okay, I'll meet you there. I'm gonna go floating down. Okay. Yeah. Ouch. Oh.
Meanwhile, retarded Luigi got up. Oh, okay. I wonder what happened here.